Okay, so I'm going to show you the first step on how to tape down your watercolor paper. This piece has already been taped down and colored, and now it's time to untape it. I taped it to just a plastic lid that was flat, and we'll see what it looks like when you untape it. Notice that it makes a white edge on the side, which it may be something that you want or not. You can always trim it off, but if you want to make the edge, you might want to make the edge even. I wasn't too worried about that with this. So, and then you take it off and it's nice and flat. This is a little bit, oh, it's still a little damp. I had another project on the back. That's what's good about watercolor paper. You can, that when it's thick enough at 140 pounds or more, you can change your mind and do something even on top of it or on the other side. So this one was the same technique that I showed in the other video, which was the rainbow colors back and forth, but on top, instead of doing gold, I did silver and black, so it gets a little different look. So I'm going to show you how you can tape a piece of your watercolor paper onto, this is just a plastic lid. Here's another plastic lid which would work. It's from a sweater box. It's a little bit tight on the edge, but you could still tape it. You could also, if you have a picture frame, this is a picture frame I have. I would take the picture out of it because water might go, on the edge and damage what's underneath if you're concerned about that. So if you have a glass picture frame, glass is a great thing to tape to. Just take the picture out of the back and use that. So we're going to put this here, and I have this masking tape. I've had good luck with any kind of masking tape, but this is the clean release stuff, the painter's tape, and it does seem to come off with the paper without tearing it. And so I'm going to try and judge about 1/4 inch and tape over that. And then we'll do opposite sides first is good. And when you tape on the paper here, you can kind of tug it a little bit, press it so that you flatten it out. And then we'll do the tape on each side also. And then it'll be ready for painting. So that's really all you need to do. You can tape it really to any surface that you think water is not going to damage. So I'm usually taping it to glass or plastic. But there is a watercolor block that's wood that is designed for the purpose of taping your watercolor to, and you could certainly do that. So there you go. It's taped down and ready to go. And when you get your kit, that's what you want to do. Find something flat and get some masking tape and tape it down. And then watch part 2, the video, so you can see a little bit about how we start painting this. You don't have to paint it until after our class, but if you watch it, you'll, if you have any questions, we can take it from there. Okay, have a fun, creative day.